What's up fam, this is Voice Text Paul, the voice of NWR Radio, speaking on behalf of Haley Nicole of the ThunderBuddy 01 Media Network. Are you looking to provide extra support to help with the development of more videos? Do you have a fat stack of cash that you inherited from your coronavirus stimulus checks lying around? Or are you looking to partake in slightly fun and totally not illegal money laundering? Actually, don't do the third thing. But what you definitely should do is become a ThunderBuddy superfan. For just $2.99 per month, you'll get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy 01 herself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the description box or click on the join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell.
Attention all units. We have a code 6 party failing to stop for police. Supervisor requesting units on non-priority calls. Switch over to TAP 2 and monitor the chain.
Service Office at National Laboratory in New York. The preceding signal is a test of another all-hazards radio public warning system on station WXM 80 from Riverhead, New York. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially if receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of impending hazard. The signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: on Long Island and Southeast New York, Nassau and Suffolk, and in Southern Connecticut, Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. Once again, this was only a test. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Eastern Long Island. Today, partly sunny. A chance of rain this afternoon. Areas with fog this afternoon. Highs in the lower 50s. West winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming south this afternoon. Chance of rain 50%. The National Weather Service Office at National Laboratory in New York. The preceding signal was a test of another all-hazards radio public warning system on station WXM 80 from Riverhead, New York. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially if receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of impending hazard. To receive the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: on Long Island and Southeast New York, Nassau and Suffolk, in Southern Connecticut, Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. Once again, this was only a test.
Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, in northern and central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex,
Here's the official National Weather Service forecast for eastern Long Island. Today, partly sunny,
and warm.
a chance of rain this afternoon.
West Connecticut,
Areas of fog this afternoon.
once again, this was
Highs in
only
the
a
lower
test.
50s. West winds around 5 miles per hour. Becoming south this afternoon. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, areas of fog in the This is the National Weather Service Office at the National Laboratory in Elgin, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station WXM 80 from Riverhead, New York. During the test during dangerous weather situations, special field receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to alert local NWR. The signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: on Long Island and Southeast New York, Nassau and Suffolk, and in Southern Connecticut, Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. Once again, this was only a test.
Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, in northern and central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for eastern Long Island. Today, partly sunny
and warm.
a chance of rain this afternoon.
West Connecticut,
Areas of fog this afternoon.
once again, this was
Highs in
only
the
a
lower
test.
50s. West winds around 5 miles per hour. Becoming south this afternoon. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, areas This is the National Weather Service Office at the National Laboratory in Elgin, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station WXC 42 from Maryland, Connecticut. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special field receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn NWR. The signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 p.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for all counties in the state of Connecticut. Nassau and Suffolk counties on Long Island and Southeast New York. Once again, this was only a test. Watches and warnings for the following counties: Wisconsin, around 5 knots. Becoming south around 5 knots this afternoon. Seas 1 foot or less. Rain likely late. Areas of fog late. Visibility less than 1 nautical mile late. For tonight, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Becoming northwest 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 1 foot or less. Wind detail, northwest 1 foot and 2 seconds. Areas of fog in the evening. Rain. Visibility less than 1 nautical mile, increasing to under 3 nautical miles after midnight. Forecast this afternoon. Seas 1 foot or less. Rain likely late. Areas of fog late. Visibility less than 1 nautical mile.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device for WWH-33. We activate this alarm for the following counties in Connecticut: Litchfield, Fairfield, New Haven and Hartford, in New York, Dutchess and Putnam, and in Massachusetts, Berkshire and Hampton. This has been Alarm 10.
Increasing to under 3 nautical miles.